DXN Eword has a brand new look. With Eword's new interface, as soon as you open the Eword page, the login option will appear, so with a single step, you can log in quickly and easily. If you have not yet registered as a DXN distributor, click on the Become a Distributor button. Click on First Time Login, if you are using Eword for the first time. To buy DXN products online, click on Online Purchase, and select your country, from the list of countries that are available for online purchase. If you cannot remember your password, click on Forgot Password. DXN Eword has many language options that you can choose and use for easier navigation through Eword. All the information that is in the old interface, like DXN Hub, new products, and highlights, are now available under About DXN, which is directly linked to the related official DXN websites. To successfully complete any of your transactions, DXN Eword has a wide variety of payment methods that you can choose from.